Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to take pictures of the moon with the iPhone. So the first step is to actually open up the camera app. Now we have the camera app open. What you want to do is press up this plus arrow here at the very top, and this will give us some extra options. The first option is the flash. We want to turn this off. Then the second option is the exposure. Want to turn this between 3 seconds here for the auto and maximum of 10. You want to keep adjusting this when your pictures come out. You also want to turn live off. Then you want to adjust the size if you wish. And then you want this exposure one in the next one. And you want to change this between 1 and 2. As I found is best on the iPhone. Then you want the phone to be on a tripod, so you want the timer one next, because when you press the button you don't want the camera to be shaking, so you want to choose between 3 and 10 seconds depending on how steady your camera is. So let's choose 3 seconds for now. Then once you're happy with all the settings, you want to press the camera button and then move away from the iPhone. And as you can see, this is taking a 10 second shot, and then it'll take a shot of the moon. It's all a bit of trial and error at first, but what you want to change on the settings, between the exposure and the delay timer here. Keep adjusting these. I found the auto on this is actually okay, and the exposure just move between 1, just move it up slowly like this, to get the perfect shot of the moon. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.